How's the weather? It's sunny. How's the weather? It's sunny. How's the weather? It's sunny. It's sunny today. All right. It's sunny. So hot. Yeah, very hot. What about you? How's the weather in your room or in your house or wherever you are? How's the weather? Good. Good to see you, G6. This is our third video, and here we're going to talk about we will evaluate algebraic expressions in real-time values. So what happens is that if you see y, or if you see x, if you see n, or if you see w, we will put values in there to give you a real meaning. Okay, so that is what we continue to do with algebraic expressions. Now, maybe we will have to revise and find out what we did before with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All right. Then after I will review, then we will put in the values. So let's look at this one that we have over here. All right. Let's review. For example, if we say add b to 9, it's simple. 9 plus b, right? Did you get that? Add b to 9. 9 plus b. Okay. Let's go to add 7. 7 more than n. 7 more than n. So add and more than is the same. So plus 7 more than m, and we get our m plus 7. Sum of. Sum of. Another English word. Add more than sum of. Sum of 4 and d is 4 plus d. Okay? Good. Let's subtract q from 10. Q from 10. So which one do we write first? 10 minus q. Don't say q minus 10. No. 10 minus q. So that is a review of what we did. All right. Do you remember? I hope you do. Now, let's dig in today as we evaluate algebraic expressions. So, like I said, here we have B, D, M, and Q. But today we will change them and put numbers there. We put 1, 2, 5, 10, 11, 13, and we will add them, we will multiply, we will subtract, and we will divide. So let's dig in here. Find the value of x plus 5 when x is 9. So x plus 5 is the algebraic expression. But then, anywhere you see x, it means 9. X เท่ากับ9 9แปลว่าอะไร So x means 9. So what we will do is that we're going to have 9 plus 5 because x is 9. And x plus 5 is 9 plus 5 and gives us 14. I hope this is easy, right? Okay. Now let's work with more examples here and you understand. Find the value of 30 minus y when y is 6. 30 minus y, and now we know that y is 6. So 30 minus 6, and the answer is 24. 30 minus 6 is 24. Another one, page 15 of your people's book, okay? Follow me with that. Page 15. Right. Now, find the value of 8p when p equals 7. So 8 multiply by p because 8p means multiply. It's not plus. It's not addition, okay? It's not division. It's not subtraction. It's multiplication. 8 multiply by p gives you 8p. So when we say 8p, it means 8 multiply p, and p is 7. So here, that's what you have to do. 8 1, 8, 8 2, 16, 8 3, 24, 8 4, 32. So 8 multiply by 7, your answer is 56. Don't say 56, 56. Okay? Okay. Let's get to the next example. Here we have letter Q and we have to find the value. Q is being divided by 10. But what is Q? Q is 60. So 60 divided by 10 will give us the value. That is what we call evaluating algebraic expressions. So 60 divided by 10, and the answer is 6. 6. Because 6, 1, 6, 6, 2, 12, 6, 10, 60. Okay? Or 10, 1, 10, 10, 2, 20, 10, 6, 60. So 60 divided by 10 is 6. Example number 4. Find the value of m divided by 4 minus 9. M divided by 4 minus 9. So divide first before you subtract. M is 36. So 36 divided by 4 is 9. And 9 minus 9 is, yes, 9 minus 9, 0. That is it. So 36 divided by 4 first minus 9. Don't say 36 minus 9 divided by 4. Don't do that. Divide before you subtract. All right? Good. Let's look at more examples. We've seen 4 examples over here. But look at this table and see if you can put in real values. Here, you have 2 values for z in each column. In this column, let me bring my marker here. Let me take a pen. All right. In this column here, the first column, z is 8. In the second column, z is 16. So the first column says that 12 plus z. So it's going to be 12 plus, and z is what? 8. So what do you think the answer will be? 12 plus 8. 20. Very good. All right. Let's look at the second one here. 25 minus z. So we get 25 minus z is what? 8. All right. So if you have 25 and you subtract 8, what is the answer? No, sorry, it went to the other one. So let's solve it this way and this way and come back. All right. So z is 16. So we're going to get 12 plus 16. And that gives us 28. 12 plus 16. That gives us 28. Okay, then we come to the second row, which was 25 minus 8. And our answer is 17. I hope we got that correct. Sorry for the earlier mishap. All right. Then let's go to the next one, under 16. So when z is 16, it's going to be 25 minus 16. All right? If you have 25 and you subtract 16, did you get 9? Yes. Good. You are very good if you got 9. All right. Let's look at 3z minus 14. So 3 will multiply z first. 3z is 3 multiplied by z, which is 8. Okay? And you will get 24. So this is giving me 24. This is equal to 24. We're not finished. And minus 14. 3 multiplied by 8 gives us 24. And minus 14. You should be getting 10, I think. Yes, it's 10. All right. Then you go to 16. When is 16? It's the same thing. 3 multiplied by 16. I think that should be 48, right? 48. Good. Minus 14. Hmm. 48 minus 14. What was your answer? Did you get it correct? 48 minus 14. 4. 34. That is correct. 34. Let's look at the last one. Here we divide. Divide. So 8 divided by 16 plus 15. Okay, it's like this. So what you do is that 8, 1, 8. 8 goes into 16 2 times. We get 1 over 2 plus 15, which is our answer. 15 and a half. 15 and a half. Because we have here 1 over 2. So we get our answer as 15 and a half. But if it was this column where we have 16 divided by 16 plus 15. So 16 divided by 16 is 1, right? And 1 plus 15 is that. As easy. So that is finding, evaluating algebraic expressions with real-time value. Okay, I hope you understand and you practice more in your workbook. All right, so our homework, as usual, as I do, will be from People's Book, page 16. Find the value of each expression when Q is 20. So here you have to get 4, okay, plus 20 multiplied by, 2 multiplied by 20. Sorry, let me get my eraser. Okay. And let's get back to the pen. It's 2K, so 2 multiplied by 20. Then you divide all of them by 11. Okay? So 2 multiplied by 20 is 40. 40 plus, this is 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. 44 divided by 11. And the answer is, all right, so that is your homework for you to do. Do for B, 125 minus 20 divided by 7. 11 multiplied by 20 divided by 4 plus 25. 14 multiplied by 20 plus 80 divided by 30. Boys and girls, that'll be all for me and you on algebraic expressions, from addition to subtraction to multiplication to division to evaluating algebraic expressions. I hope you understand. If you have any question, please, you can send me a message on Facebook like Wawa has been doing when she doesn't understand, or you leave a comment under the video section, okay? I'll reply to you and explain more to you. But I hope you understand. Until then, boys and girls, I never run out of knowledge. I only run out of time. Until I see you again in our next video, don't forget that my name is P E T E R, Peter. Thank you very much and enjoy yourself and stay safe. And I'll see you again. Until then, is bye bye.